pink Trackhawk back there. Found what I was looking for, probably about 10 minutes. But how is this already disconnected? Somebody like took it off and just left it there. Man, somebody already took it off for me, just left it on the floor. My luck don't never be that great. Must be my birthday or something. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I'm ready to throw this thing on real quick. Drive this Benz, you know what I'm saying? Test drive, get all the kinks out of it. It's ready for sale. I already started waxing. But let me get up out of here, man. I got what I need. So on these Mercedes-Benz, instead of having the throttle position sensor on the actual throttle body, they got it right here in the pedal for the throttle position. And this back little sensor right here is for the kick down. So I'm about to plug it up, see what it do. Now I see why a lot of people don't want to deal with the Mercedes-Benzes and stuff like that. Because a lot of the problems that go wrong with those engine management, all the engine management sensors and modules and computers and stuff like that, when they go bad, everything go haywire. The car not gonna work at all. It's gonna be a chain reaction of bad issues going on with that car. But if you can diagnose that, okay, gotta make sure these accelerator pedals are the same. About the same. Let me put it in real quick. Got the new pedal in. Let's see what we got. Oh, whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Hey! Sheesh! Damn, that joint sound good. Woo! I'm getting pretty good at this stuff. Woo! This joint sound good, man. I'm ready to test drive it now.